Now I will discuss frictionless pulley. Again, this is a very important term, frictionless. That means in this pulley there is no friction. Now, what is pulley? Pulley means something, a cable. We use a cable to raise some load or hang some load over a round object. So that is called pulley. Now, what is frictionless means? Frictionless means here to here, here to here. We use some lubricant or we make it so slippery so that there is no friction here. Friction here is almost zero. That time we can consider is frictionless. What happens if there is friction? Yes, there is a different chapter for that, friction chapter. We will discuss what happens for friction in the next chapter. Okay, so here there is no friction now. No friction means what? This is, I wrote some statement, very useful, important, and statement for this frictionless pulley. What is this? Same cable, same tension. That means if this cable is same cable, right? Using this same cable, I am raising this load. So yes, so whatever my load here, that will be same load here. 16 Newton load here. If I have no friction, if I need to raise this load or let it go, whatever it is, as it is same cable, so this cable is same cable, so same load. Whatever the load here, that is the load here. So if you memorize this one, your life will be very easy for pulley. Here I drew one example here. Now the question is asking what is the tension here? What is the tension here? So you can see one pulley here, other pulley here. There is a cable, same cable goes this way, then comes here, goes this way, then ended up here. So that is the ending point of this cable. Now what is my load here? There is a bar, beam or whatever, a load of 16 kip is hanging at the middle, 4 feet, 4 feet. Total is 8 feet. The question is, what is the tension here? Or what is the tension here? What is the tension here in the support? So this is the question. So first, what I need to do? I need to start from here because I know something here. I cannot start somewhere in the middle where I do not know anything. I should start at the end or this end. So here I know something. So I have two cable. Luckily it is symmetric because 4 feet, 4 feet symmetric. So this 16 will be divided into 2, 8, 8 here. If it is not symmetric, don't worry. So use your knowledge. So one say T1, this is say T2. This is 4 feet, this is 4 feet. If you take moment here, you will find this one. So if you take moment here, T1 times 8 feet minus 16 times 4 feet equals 0. So T1 will be, that will go down 8 kip. So yes, if it is symmetric, you can just simply tell that this is 8 and 8. If it is not symmetric, use your statics or equilibrium knowledge to solve it. So now we know it. So this is 8, this is 8. Okay, as you know it, I can delete this portion and I can write here, this is 8 kip and here 8 kip. Now what is the force here? You can easily find it. Okay, how? We should go one by one. If I take this pulley, so how this pulley looks like if I take it. So this is the pulley. So my load here is hanging 8. I have a cable here and cable here. So what is the force here? T. Or right here, yes, T. Okay, you can give any name because I wrote here tension, not T. So it's same cable, that means same force. It is T1, it is T2, not possible because same cable. Now both cable, they are taking 8 kip load. So if I apply summation of 8, y is 0, T plus T equals 8 keep. Or if you assume this way, that is also okay. Upward, downward step. That means T equals 4.4 keep. T equals 4 keep. That means my load here is 4. 4 keep, 4 keep. Now you can see that this cable is going this way, same cable, so 4 here, 4 keep. This cable is going same way, 4 cable here. This cable is go same thing, goes here, so this is 4 keep. So you can find the answer just your visual inspection, or you can like take pulley by pulley, what I did here. If you take pulley by pulley also, you'll get the same answer. How? Say, okay, if I take this pulley, and I do not know 4 keep. Say I do not know 4 keep. If I take this pulley is like this. And my load here is 8 keep. So again here, what is my force? So this time say F, this time say F. So if I apply summation of Fy, F plus F minus 8 keep equals 0, that means F equals 4. So different way you can get the same answer. So you got the 4. So you got the answer here, 4 keep. So one answer is done. Other question is the question asking what is the tension in the support? What is the force here? So if I want to find the force here, what I will do? I will take this pulley. This pulley is bigger. It has one load here 4, other load here 4, other load here 4. Then what is the force here? Say TB. Now what I did here, I just consider this portion, 4 keep, 4 keep, 4 keep, 4 keep, 4 keep, 4 keep. So if I apply summation of Fy is 0, then TB up minus 4 keep minus 4 keep minus 4 keep equals 0, or simply TB is 12 keep. Or sometimes you do not need to do any mathematics, you can just see it and tell it. What is the tension here? If I take this pulley, 4 keep here, 4 keep there. So this will be 8 keep. Without any calculation, you can tell this is 8 keep. So this is the way to solve a pulley. Pulley means frictionless pulley. If there is no friction, this rule applies. Same cable, same force. This rule applies. If there is friction, this rule doesn't apply. There is a separate calculation. We will discuss it in that friction chapter. So make sure now here in pulley you understood the concept. Same force, same pulley when there is no friction. Okay, so in next video we'll discuss something else. So see you then.